Welcome. In front of me is a Black Shark 5 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So to get started, you'll want to obviously open up settings. From here, choose about phone, scroll a little bit down and select factory reset. At the bottom you'll find erase all data. Now this does bring up a window letting you know that it will remove everything, so if you would like to keep some of the stuff, do make a backup copy of it. You can do so right here. This will create, I believe, a Google backup or Xiaomi cloud backup. So that's an easy way of creating a backup of your data. Now you can obviously do so also through a cable and do it onto your computer if you want to. So yeah, the choice is yours. And obviously, if you don't want to back up anything, you can just automatically jump to factory reset. You need to wait 10 seconds here, where it's letting us know again that this will remove all the data and cannot be undone. So once we have our 10 seconds wasted, we can press on next and then have another 10 seconds of our life wasted that we'll never get back, with basically the same message spelled out again. So click on OK once the time passes, and this will begin the process, which will take about a minute or so to finish up. Once it has, we will then be greeted with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your device however you want. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.